Thermometer reads 70 miles per hour. Spoilers deployed from the trunk. Less wind resistance, more power. You ain't said nothing like this once. Fresh from the pages, like car and driver to the